it's Neil, and welcome to the family room, I guess. And in my ultimate effort to start to work out more, I will be getting a rowing machine, a Peloton a bicycle, and a Peloton treadmill. So those should be coming soon. And I am super excited about those. And so in the effort to do that, what else do I need? I need some like towels to break the sweat off as I begin to work out and get myself in better shape. So we're gonna check out one of these here. So let's check it out here. I don't know what colors these are. My guess would be yellow, red, gray, blue. Okay, tell me if I'm right or wrong. I'm colorblind, so those are just guesses. So let's check out the yellow, I guess. Since that's the first one I took out, I would probably keep the blue one. But let's see how these things look. This is what it looks like here. It's got the little airflow thingy in there, and it comes with a carabiner, so you can kind of put it on your gym bag if you wanted to. And then let's see what the little thing looks like inside. So this is it here. It's kind of nylon-y look feeling. Oh, it's black on this side. And then, I don't know, I guess that's the same color. Maybe it's green, I don't know. But this is what it looks like. You can see it's kind of got some see-throughness to it, but it seems pretty good. And you would go like this and keep it to keep yourself dry. Let me go wet it and see what it feels like when it's wet. Okay, so I just stuck it in the sink for a second. As you saw, that was gone. And this is what it's like here. So let's see. So this, that would be so cool. It would be nice and cooling. So I think that's what you could do with that. So if I'm sitting there working out, sweating, I can go like this and cool myself off a bit. And it'll be really nice. And it comes in a 4-pack, and it was just super inexpensive. So I was like, hey, why not? I'll give it a try. I can just leave them sitting out right near the exercise equipment and totally use them whenever I want to. This is the brand here. I'm not even sure what it is, but it was pretty much the least expensive kind of cooling towel thing I could find on Amazon. But I'm gonna put a link to this in the description so you guys can pick some up for yourselves. Also, be sure to like my video and subscribe to my channel, because this thing is super cool. I like it. Feels good. So thumbs up for me. I like it. Hopefully it'll hold together. I think it will. It seems like it's pretty good, decent quality. So I like it. So I don't really know what else to say about a little cooling towel kind of thing, but I like it. It looks like it's maybe single ply. It's got the black on one side and the other stuff. You can see it's see-through a little bit, but it does have some heft to it. But there we go. Okay, thumbs up. I like it. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video, and I'll be back with some other reviews soon. Bye.